Well, hello everybody. Before kicking off this week's video, I want to give a shout out to Mammoth Coffee Roasting Company. They're out in Mammoth Lakes, California. One of my videos helped a gentleman with a particular issue that he was having, and he's such a good guy that he sent me some of his beans. Check it out right there. I'm telling you what, take your Dunkin' Donuts, your Starbucks, kick them to the curb, because this stuff right here is jet fuel. And it tastes unreal. So yeah, thank you guys out there in Mammoth Lakes, California. Your coffee is phenomenal. And guys, if you're coffee drinkers, get you a bag of these beans, man. They are so good. Hey everybody, thanks for dropping in today. This week's video, we're installing 3 Genie side mount openers. This is going to be a fun one, so stick around and check it out. Here's our 3 Genie openers. One of them has Wi-Fi and a battery backup, and the other two don't. Got everything kind of set up, we're getting ready to rock and roll. So right here's the scenario that we have. We got 3 9x8 full views, they're Clopays. You can see the spring line's kind of sagging a little bit, so we got to make sure that torsion tube is nice and straight. So that's the first thing we're going to do. Take out these old trolley openers and get the doors fixed up, tuned up, lubed up, ready to rock.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this new crazy mother. Oh, this new crazy mother. Oh, this new crazy mother. Oh, this new crazy mother.
Okay, I got the spring line nice and leveled out on this middle door here, you know, versus that right there. That's the key thing, is getting the garage door ready for a side mount application. So just don't go all willy-nilly throwing an opener up. Make sure everything's nice and level and the door's tuned up and lubed up, ready to go. So I thought I'd show you this real quick. I'm going through lubing all the hinges and whatnot, and you can see, you know, whoever put these doors in didn't do a great job of really centering up the hinges and, you know, putting the screws in. There's all the black debris that it leaves, just metal on metal. I'm gonna fix up these, relocate, try to get an even spacing on each side of the hinge and lubricate it. And that should cut down a ton of noise on this thing. See how that is? Yeah, you're gonna get a ton of noise. But yeah, first and foremost, make sure you get the garage door set up before you install a side mount. That's key number one. Okay, just got done moving them spring lines up. That far right door needed a set of cables, no big deal, just a little more time. Mr. Bo, he's got the sensors mounted. He's over there doing the wall buttons. We got everything kind of laid out right here. Now we're just gonna throw these up and get after it. It shouldn't take too long after this point. All right, everybody, we got it all done. So the middle door is a 6170. That's the one with the Wi-Fi. And then the two outside ones are the 6070s. Those don't have the Wi-Fi or the battery backup. But let's go ahead and give them a run and take a listen. Not too bad.
Whoa!
Side mounts are going to free up your headroom up there, so that way you don't have that nasty trolley hanging down with all that angle iron. You can see those nice little lights they got. So yeah, these are nice machines.
Dude.
Bingo. Well, thanks for following along today, guys. If you have any questions, please comment, hit that like button. We'll talk to you on the next one. Peace out.